Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Muggle Magic. So the channel is approaching the 10K giveaway much faster than I thought that it would. So far the prizes are a Marauders map with hidden footprints and a reversible cover, a 20-page readable Quibbler, and a 10-page Weasley's Wizard Wheezes catalog. On top of that, ILCHESTER Wand Shop has graciously offered to include one of his wands in my 10K giveaway. Now this is a 9 3/4 inch oak wand. I'll leave links to his wand shop in the description box below. And the way this is gonna go is once the channel hits 10K subscribers, I'll choose 3 winners, first, second, and third, and you'll be able to choose your prize in order that you're chosen. So in this video today, I found a way to really upgrade the Quibbler that I made. So if you haven't checked out my DIY Quibbler, go ahead and check that out. I'll leave a link in the description box to that as well. So if you do have one of my Quibblers, you can do this to it to kind of upgrade it in a way. Go ahead and check out the description box below for a list of supplies, and let's get started. To make our DIY Quibbler even better, we're going to be making parts of this a silver color. Like a shiny silver. To do this, we're going to need a deco foil or deco foil. I'm not sure how it's pronounced, but this is an adhesive pen. And then you're also going to want to have some silver leaf. This bag, obviously you can tell I've already used it, at least some of it. And it's just a mixture. There are sheets that are gold and there are sheets that are silver. But for this, we're going to be using the silver. The idea is there are parts of this where we want to make silver. And if you look close, you can see like a light gray texture around all the text where it says Quibbler. All of that, we want to make silver. So the idea is we're going to use our adhesive pen to just color those parts. And that's basically putting glue on these and then we can use our silver leaf to basically stick it to this, let it dry for a little while, and then brush it off, and we will have a silver texture there. So before we start, I want to get a little bit of this silver ready. And now we need to color the silver part with our adhesive pen. Just be very careful. As long as you're good at coloring within the lines, you should be fine. So there, I just put a little bit of that right there. And then if I stick my silver leaf right there, and now I just need a paintbrush, a dry, soft paintbrush. And we're just going to kind of gently brush the top of the silver leaf to make sure that all of it got stuck down. You can brush that part away. And after just a little while, maybe a minute or two, we should be able to kind of brush away the extra silver. And just keep working at it until eventually we have this shiny silver on the cover of our Quibbler. And we want to do that with all of this kind of whitish gray drop shadow. Now I've finished the Quibbler logo. So you should be able to see the shiny silver background there. Now the next thing we want to do, and the last thing we want to do, is this kind of like explosion looking thing right here. You can see there's also some of this white silverish looking texture behind them. So all of those parts we want to go ahead and fill in with our adhesive pen and put some silver leaf on that as well. And there we go. We should have these shiny parts underneath this little explosion looking thing right here. We have the silver shininess underneath the Quibbler logo, and then we also have the silver shininess underneath the explosion right here on the back. And I think that really just makes it look a little bit cooler. Why don't you guys let me know what you think of this in the comment section below. Do you think it looks better with this silver leaf on it, or do you think it looks better without? If you want a chance at winning the Quibbler that I upgraded in this video today, you can find the weekly giveaway link in the description box below. Remember, I get a lot of ideas for these DIYs that I do from your comments. So if you have an idea for something that you want to see me do in the future, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in seeing more DIY videos having to do with Harry Potter and more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.